At Christmas time, we celebrate the fact that Jesus entered into our chaos and brought peace. We've known some chaos this year, but because of Jesus, we can also know peace. This year at Hope, we're helping our faculty and staff who have been amazing this year. We're helping them know peace by handing out pieces of pizza.
Super cheesy, isn't it?
Super cheesy. Actually, we're going to hand out whole pizzas. We're going to do a special curbside pickup in front of our home, handing out pizza dinners. Let's go check it out. Merry Christmas! From our family to yours,
Merry Christmas!